Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good...
We're taking the door card off because we want to see why this door's not locking. Something's faulty here. The stupid central locking, which I don't believe in, is making drama. And we want to change the mirror arm. These things that shouldn't be in a Defender door.
Really?
No. Okay, so what's going on here? We using our old door cards from our old Defender 110 because they're in really good shape, and I put some checker plating here a couple of years ago. So we're pumping these out, just clean them, and give them a bit of a spray with some interior, exterior spray. Yeah, that's it. And then doors are going to be finished, the inside, all the little clips and stuff, and then we're going to put the door cards on and then move on to the next little task.
Time for a stiff pancakes. Ooh! Are you happy with that one? Before we continue, we first need to get some spares.
We were at L&R the other day. It's a Land Rover spares dealership where I've been getting all my parts for a couple of years. So Shafiq, the gentleman behind the spares counter, sorted us out with a couple of parts. It's definitely not going to be the last box of spares and parts we're ordering. This is just a little start. Front door rubber. We've got right hand ball joints for the steering arm and the track rod. These are the left ones for the track rod. One set is for us and one set for a customer whose landy I'm working on. But rear sway arm bushes, lot of. Got 2 drop arm ball kits for the front. These are more rubbers for the rear. And then we got ourselves 8 linkages for the sway arm, front and back. 4s for us for the 130 and 4s for a customer's little 90 I'm working on. Like I said, 2 rotor filters. That's for my sis and that's for us. Then we got ourselves a couple of door grommets for the door cards. So the last little box is we got ourselves some full kit of poly bushes from Beermach. I used to do the rubber ones for years and years. They never really let me down, but the pain I go through and the tears of putting new bushes in and taking the old ones out. Oh my. Beep, 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 beep. So we'll test them out and yeah, we'll give our own little personal review about the poly versus rubber bushes.
Ugh, back to the doors.
Yeah, the main thing, because I put a couple of these in, is just to make sure that it all actually lines up. And you don't actually want to bend this little piece of, you don't want to bend this rubber. It's metal in there, then it's a bit boring. So now I tend to start at the bottom and work my way up. Otherwise you start at the top, go all the way down and it seems to stretch.
Yay, doors are done. So what's next, Steph?
Right, so what we're busy doing is we're going to take the center console out because in about a week's time the car's going to the mechanic, just because he's got all the cool tools and he's an amazing guy. So he's going to put a new gearbox in. It's just the upgraded one. It's an Ashcroft gearbox compared to the standard one because I've had it in the other 110. Set up the clutch, fix a oil leak on the transfer box. A cubby must come out, and we've already undone these long load of bolts. Cubby's out, and now we just got to get a access panel here, which is underneath our awesome carpeting, and then a couple other little things, and it's ready for the mechanic. So our task here is straightening the tub. The tub was fitted completely skew, brackets were the wrong way around, so we loosened the whole tub, swapped some brackets around, lined it up nicely, got some brackets welded up just to strengthen it up a little bit, swapped it all around, lined it up perfectly, and the tub is lacquer straight.
Moments later.
There we go, this is the bracket we flipped. You can see it's been sitting more on there instead of the whole rubber. So I'm going to flip it around and hopefully it all works out.
Okay, cool. Got it. Is it sitting flush? That's good for me now.
It's looking much better. The tub still ideally goes forward, but we're going to keep it in this place. Oh, it's definitely got so much more on it. Okay, let's go do the other side.
Are you flipping the other side as well?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now it makes more sense.
So the task we're busy with now is fixing the windscreen wipers. First task was to dismantle the dashboard. Quite a big job to get to it. Remove the windscreen wiper motor, grease it, make sure she works out lacquer. And a couple of things we learned from there is you get a different types of spindles. You get from at 10 degrees right to 40 degrees, which changes the sweep of the wipers on the windscreen.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and join our adventure.